At this very moment, beneath the surface of your skin, a silent architect is at work. You believe you are the same person you were yesterday, but that is a carefully crafted illusion. Your body is a construction site where the old is being torn down and the new is being raised in the dark. You are not a finished product. You are a constant, terrifying biological miracle. Think back to the very beginning when you first entered this world. You were fragile but complex. Inside that tiny frame, there were nearly 300 bones, a scattered puzzle waiting for time to put it together. As the years passed, a strange ritual began in the shadows of your anatomy. Bones began to touch, to melt, and to fuse into one another. By the time you reached adulthood, 94 of those pieces had vanished. They weren't lost, they were consumed by your own growth, leaving you with 206 solid pillars. How much of your original self has already been swallowed by time? We are taught that humans are soft, made of clay and water. But look closer at the framework holding you upright. Imagine the cold, unyielding strength of industrial steel. Now, compare it to the bone in your thigh. If they were the same weight, your bone is 5 times stronger than that steel. 5 times! You are walking around with a biological armor that no factory on Earth can replicate. It bends without snapping, it absorbs the shock of every leap, and it carries the weight of your entire life. You are not fragile, you are a masterpiece of high-pressure engineering. Deep inside the cavern of your skull, where the light never reaches, there lies a machine so small it seems impossible. The stapes, a bone only 3 millimeters long, smaller than a single grain of rice, yet it holds the key to your reality. It vibrates with the weight of every whisper, every scream, and every note of music. Without this tiny, microscopic bridge, the world would fall into a permanent, heavy silence. The most powerful experiences of your life depend on a piece of bone so small you could lose it in a breath of wind. Look down at your feet, resting on the ground. To the naked eye, they are simple tools for movement. But beneath the skin lies a crowded mechanical city. 26 individual bones packed into the tight space of a single foot. They shift, they pivot, they balance your entire universe on a few inches of flesh. Every step is a calculated symphony of 26 parts working in perfect rhythmic harmony. It is an architecture of balance so complex it puts our greatest skyscrapers to shame. 1/4 of all the bones in your body are dedicated just to the act of standing still. But here is the most unsettling truth of all. The skeleton you have today is not the one you were born with. Right now, specialized cells are acid washing your old bone away. They are eating you from the inside, only to replace the void with fresh, new tissue. This process never stops. Roughly every 10 years, your entire skeleton has been completely replaced. The person who stood in your place a decade ago is physically gone. Every atom of that frame has been recycled, cast off, and rebuilt. You are a ghost inhabiting a house that is constantly changing its bricks. If your body is entirely new every 10 years, then who exactly are you? The more we look, the more we realize how little we truly know. Your body is a vessel of secrets, rebuilding itself while you sleep and while you breathe. The mystery of your existence is written in your marrow. If you are ready to uncover more truths that defy logic, subscribe and join us in the dark. There is so much more hidden just beneath the surface. Until next time, try to remember, you are not who you were 10 years ago.